Audio Jungle.
Let's fry some chicken wings. Check out the menu on top. I'm going to turn it on. Air fry, yeah, sure. Menu. You can pick the next one. Poultry, 380 degrees. Start and pause. That's the green button there. Okay, it's working now. This is a great air fryer. First of all, the noise level is super low. Second, I can see the contents inside through this window. It's transparent and I cannot pull it open because there's a safety feature. I would have to press this button and pull it out. Then it will automatically stop. It's only been 2 minutes, right? Put it in. It's gonna restart. You can still see it inside. Great feature. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. I feel like it's just right. Not too crispy, not too raw. But let's add more time to it and see what happens. I think I can just do, I'll pick poultry again. Then I'm going to reduce the time. Let's add 5 minutes to it. Start. Add 5 more minutes. It should be done now. After 5 minutes, look at this. Look at that. Beautifully done.